back out to Vide. Gets a high screen for Porter. Takes it to the baseline. And a nice shot off the window for Jan Vide, the UCLA transfer.
Threat when he gets off the bus, right? When he's at the hotel buffet, and we saw it there from downtown.
Vide over Eagle staff, count it. And a chance for the three-point play. Now that's what Jan can do with that size.
Great response, and he's just got great feel for the game. Opportunity the old-fashioned way.
Had a nice game against UC Irvine with 13 points. Struggled against St. Louis to keep the possession alive. Mert for three. Got that one. California, fourth-year Lion. The Slovenian. Vide gets that free throw to fall. Woodson out high to Eagle staff, and they turn it over. McBride to Vide, ahead of the pack, and he throws it down.
Take advantage.
Couple big trips. They're even now offensive boards with LMU at 13. Vide with the left hand. A good answer from the Slovenian. Tied one. Johnston into the corner. Vide for the lead. Got it. Big shot from the corner in front of the LMU bench. A difference in this one.
Yeah, so we see Johnston and Jope pick and roll, cogitate.
A quick trip there for North Dakota. Vide drives inside. Mert and one.
We see LMU in attack mode. Vide with a great dish. Mert in the dunker spot. He's able to convert.